This is an example of a compound trig problem. In other words, it's a trig application, but there's two triangles in it, not just one triangle. And you might not see why I'm saying there's two triangles in this picture if you're just looking at the diagram. But look what I drew down here. This is really just two right triangles that are sort of overlaid with each other. See, they both have this right triangle thing on the left. And you've got an inner triangle, or the smaller triangle right here, call it that, smaller triangle. And then you've got a bigger triangle, which is kind of like the whole thing over here. Okay, so there's our two triangles. And I'm going to try to figure out what this distance is right here by considering the difference of the bases of these two triangles, right? So let's start ourselves off with that first triangle, first one that I drew on the left. And I'm going to call this base right there x. Let's just call that x. That makes sense to me. And if I think about this in terms of adjacent and opposite, I know this is going to be a tangent function. Okay, so I'm going to say tangent of 18.5 degrees equals opposite, that's 900, divided by adjacent, that's x. And now we just switch things around a little bit and say, okay, well that means x equals 900 over tangent of 18.5 degrees. Okay, and I, of course, did not do this ahead of time, so let's say 900 divided by tangent of 18.5. And what I get is 2,689.8. Okay, that's the x that I labeled there. Now let's make another letter, and we'll call this one, I don't know, W. Okay, and that's going to go this entire length of the thing. That's going to be my W. And I'm going to set up a new equation and say, okay, tangent of 14.5 degrees equals, again, 900 is the opposite, divided by, this time, it's W. So move things around a little bit, you get 900 over tangent of 14.5 degrees. And that equals, let's see, 900 divided by tangent 14.5, 3,480.0. Okay, those are my two distances of interest. That's W and X. And now if you just take the difference between those things, you get your answer. So what we're looking for here, question mark, equals W minus X. That's how you solve a typical compound trig problem. You have to see where there's two triangles in the thing and get to work using SOH-CAH-TOA.